Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get rugged synthetics. First, let's define what makes a synthetic material rugged. These materials are engineered for exceptional durability, often featuring high tensile strength and resistance to abrasion, tears, and environmental factors. They are crucial in demanding applications like outdoor gear, industrial components, and protective clothing. Understanding these foundational aspects helps you choose the best options for your needs. When selecting materials, focus on key performance indicators. Look for synthetics like nylon or polyester, specifically those with high denier counts, indicating thicker, stronger fibers. Consider treatments that enhance properties such as water repellency or flame resistance. For extreme conditions, materials like aramid fibers offer exceptional strength-to-weight ratios. Making informed material choices is the first critical step. Manufacturing plays a vital role in creating rugged synthetics. Techniques like ripstop weaves prevent small tears from spreading, significantly boosting durability. Applying polyurethane or silicone coatings adds water resistance and abrasion protection. Furthermore, heat-setting processes stabilize the fabric structure, reducing shrinkage and improving overall resilience. These methods transform basic fibers into highly robust materials ready for tough environments. To ensure your rugged synthetics last, proper care is essential. Always follow the manufacturer's cleaning guidelines, often involving gentle washing and air drying to preserve material integrity. Avoid harsh chemicals that can degrade protective coatings. Store items away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures to prevent material breakdown. Remember, checking the description for links to great deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, can also help you maintain your gear and lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.